All right, welcome back. Now still the Gudu Morning Naija Show. And yes, we dey here. We want to talk about things we concern the heart right now. Because as it is so, this month of February, for some kind of parts of the world, they take them as the World Heart Awareness Month. Based on, say, we look at the things where they affect the heart. The matters of the heart. That kind of thing. As it be so, we get one very, very ogbonge doctor. We go follow us yarn this matter. In the here, Dr. Ola Adewuya, in a consultant and a cardiologist. Oga, welcome.
Thank you very much.
It's good say you finally help us to settle this matter. Now settle this matter.
The breakfast issue.
No, that one said there. So we won't just look at the situation now. Heart Awareness Month. A lot of people don't know, say, heart disease, they kill plenty people across the world. And a lot of them don't even know how this heart disease they come about. Make we even start from there. First of all, looking at the kind heart disease where they affect people and waiting people they neglect usually, where they lead to this demise or this kind of big situations that they face concerning the heart.
Okay, thank you, my brother. You talk and well. Before I say anything, I have to say thank you to all my teachers in Nigeria, in America, in Switzerland, and my Oga, Dr. Funsho Ladipo of Arjolad Multi-Specialist Hospital, and the Afia Care Group that has acquired Arjolad Multi-Specialist Hospital. It's a wonderful combination, and it's a great hospital in Wagana there. So when I talk on behalf of all my teachers and all my employers, because medical career is also almost like military. We have to respect our elders and our teachers. So February is Heart Awareness Month, and it's very important what we're going to discuss because the heart is everything. The heart is everything. And as my brother said here, you see, people should take life easy. Make una take them easy. Because, you see, this heart, the only one we get to. What if we say problem they come to the heart is it comes from the fact that there are certain things that we do or we don't do that affect the heart. Problems when they come to the heart, person, it be like say some people, they born them with heart disease, but they know plenty.
Okay.
The one where we use our hand start, that's the one that causes the most problem. Stress is one of them. Okay. When I say stress of work, stress of family, stress of marriage, stress of love. February now is lovers month. We will get girlfriend, we will get wife, we will get husband. We love them. This is February awareness. Is Heart Awareness Month. So make people take them easy. If you find out that you have high blood pressure, that is make your blood pressure day high. I mean, people don't usually check all this blood pressure, but try to go to the hospital once in a while to say, doctor, waiting be my blood pressure, waiting be my blood sugar. Check all those things. And if you are overweight, they will tell you in the hospital because they go measure how you tall, how you weigh, reach. Then go calculate them. Say now body mass index, BMI. If person they big, it affect the heart too. So you supposed to lose weight, and to lose weight now you go avoid certain foods. Certain foods they cause person make it big. They call them robot, that kind of thing. No, please, that thing they affect the heart. So I don't mention stress now. Blood pressure will go high. Too much weight. Their diabetes. Some people diabetes they come inside family. Sometimes some people go chop sugar, go affect them. But people will plenty be say they get that family history. It did their family. Yes. The way they go get diabetes. They no go know. They go come they eat sugar. They go develop diabetes. Diabetes, they affect the heart too. Diabetes too. When you chop sugar, it will make you fat and it will affect the heart. So I mentioned all the things where they affect the heart. Stress, even love. Love affects the heart.
Love is stress person can't cause heart disease.
Yes, love is stress person. And the way it happens is that we're meant to love. We're meant to love. But if you love somebody and he say he no do again, and you love a woman and she say she no dey interested again, or a man say no dey interested again, no kill yourself. I beg, just drink cold water, cool small. Drink cold water. Think, waka small, come back. No do anything. No go pour acid on her. No go beat her. No go fight her. No go kill her. If you say no do again, you go find another person. Because when this love affects the heart, person fit have something where go be like say one get heart attack.
Are you serious? Because I want to ask you now the
Which
relationship of
the
ordinary heartbreak and then the body metabolism or the heart itself will be structure for inside body. What's be the relationship? How that one won't use relate? Because some people don't look at like they possible.
You talk and well, my sister. You see, when we love somebody, we love with our heart, with our thinking and everything. So when heartbreak happen like that, you go the sweat, chest pain, you go they happen to you.
Oh.
You no go feel breathe well. And some people they react badly to it. When you have that chest pain, you no go feel breathe well. Then go just faint like that. You know, some people like that. When it happen like that, then go land for hospital. When you land for hospital like that, and we see you, I be cardiologist now. My job be heart disease, and we do testing on you. We find out that this person, it be like say he get heart attack. It be like say nah this arrow will go to the heart, that kind of thing. Now love cause am, but this one way we say now love cause am, it no be like the one where they kill.
Okay.
Yeah, it will affect the person well. You will not even be able to do anything again. Your heart go dey pain, you go dey sweat, you no go feel breathe very well. But when we do all those investigations, you say this one, this disease then called takotsubo.
Oh, you call them waiting again, no vex.
Takotsubo.
Okay.
They call it a big grammar. Takotsubo cardiomyopathy. I go talk and bring her small, bring her down small. It's just a description. Then just talk and say the heart could just dey big all of a sudden. Because the woman tell you, say, you know, do again, no, your heart could just dey pain you, just dey big.
So you just swear.
You just swear like that.
Because of heartbreak.
Because of heartbreak. Or the man say, I no do again. Because of heartbreak, your heart will swell, it will pain you. So when you get to the hospital like that, we'll treat you like that, give you medication, rest very well. After some time, the thing will go.
Hey! They
don't hear
those of you serving breakfast up and down. When I don't hear say breakfast go fit keep person. Well, doctor, you don't talk plenty things concerning that. But we'll for like touchlight, the different heart disease than we even day, available because a lot of people they take their BP and each other things and for granted. So what be the different heart disease them way day?
Yeah, thank you, my sister. The different heart disease way day, hypertension they cause one.
Okay.
They call it hypertensive heart disease.
Oh, wow.
Hypertension will make the heart fail. They call it heart failure. Hypertension will make your heart they do big. As if say the heart won't come out of your body. You go sleep like this. You go to hear your heart in your mouth, in your ear, big like that. That's they call arrhythmia. Arrhythmia, palpitations. Your heart go they do big like that. It's not supposed to be like that. It go they go fast. Other types of heart disease, other kind of heart disease where the one will be say person carry from in papa or in mama or in family line. Some part of the heart like that, it go thick, it go thick well. It go thick, you know, go fit bring out blood again.
You know, go they pump well.
Yeah, you know, go they pump well. As you know, bring out blood again like that, person go they feel like dizzy, won't fall down like that. You know, go get strength. You know that kind of thing. Other heart diseases like that, we be say it go they affect the person. Person no go know. Person no go know. Now high blood pressure be a problem in this Nigeria.
Because it really know they show people.
It no go show, yes. Wow. They call it silent killer. The thing where if you kill person, we say you no go know. Silent killer. Now high blood pressure they call them. You know that kind of they cause that kind of thing. Heart failure, hypertensive heart disease, arrhythmia, that is palpitations. They do big. Those are common ones. Diabetes too, they affect the heart disease. Diabetes, that is sugar, too much sugar in the blood. It will make fat dey inside the pipe where they carry blood to the heart. That fat, they call it cholesterol. Cholesterol. It will make them block the pipe where they carry blood to the heart. After some time, when the person they waka, or they meet a woman, or they meet in a man, or they do something strenuous, they feel pain in the chest. The heart is dying, because the pipe where they carry blood to the heart, it don't narrow, it don't become smaller. Atherosclerosis, cholesterol, diabetes, people with the fat, would they affect the heart like that? Diabetic heart disease.
So, doctor, these things where you don't talk now. So if we say anybody, you just feel any kind of pain for your chest area, for your heart area, anytime, you mean say if it be symptom to any heart situation?
Yes, the thing we say there are some things we call risk factors.
Okay.
Risk factors. That is the thing we say if I look at you, it could be like say you are fine. You know that kind of, but you get them for body, and now go they cause the problem. Risk factors. What are the risk factors? What will be these risk factors for heart disease?
Okay.
Now here I don't talk hypertension,
Okay.
diabetes, stress, too much salt. Some people they go put salt for their food, put Maggi, use and cook soup, put Maggi, put
Inside
everything.
inside
everything. Yes, the thing go they sweet. That thing they cause high blood pressure. You know. Then go they chop the inside of cow, liver, intestine.
Assorted meat na problem.
Na problem for us.
They go they chop. When they want chop like this, their food could be like mountain. You go see liver, then you go see everything. Those things, you feel chop them, but maybe once a week or maybe once a month is enough. If they cause something inside the blood, we could go up. They call on one name like that. Or in both people, they call on one name called uric acid. What I talk? Uric acid. Uric acid. If they come from those meats, organ meats, then they call them. So that uric acid will make your blood pressure go up. If you come to the hospital in Bagada, we will check it for you. If it's high, we will bring it down for you. Or you go to the nearest hospital. So those kind of foods, then they cause that uric acid to go up. As it go up, it will affect your heart. You're not going to know. It will affect your blood pressure. Blood pressure will go up. You won't know. After some time, the person could just, early in the morning, as God made us, early in the morning, your blood pressure must rise.
Okay.
It must rise. Normally. So when you can't get high blood pressure for body, you don't know. It go rise well for
fast
morning.
normal.
Yes. That's why people, they die in the morning. You just wake up, say, you go just hear and say, Mr. Lagbaja, early in the morning, he just dies suddenly. I be sleep. You know, wake up.